So is your neck feeling tight, achy, and locked up? Does it feel like the muscles need to be relaxed so you can finally get some relief? In this video, I'm going to show you how to treat and fix muscle spasms and knots in the neck in 1 minute or less. Hey everyone, Dr. Rowe here at SpineCare in St. Joseph, Michigan. Neck muscle spasms, cramps, and muscle knots are common issues that I treat in my office. They're usually caused by built-up tension in the upper back and neck from everyday stress, which we all have, and from bad forward-leaning posture, which we're all guilty of. This is a classic recipe for the creation of muscle spasms and knots and restricted range of motion in the neck. What I'm going to share with you have helped many of my patients get more flexibility back in their neck and help eliminate muscle spasms, cramps, and overall tightness. I'm going to break it down into 3 parts, which will include stretches and exercises targeting the upper, middle, and lower parts of the neck. So it should help you be able to get rid of those muscle spasms no matter where they are. They don't require any special equipment and can be done at home and are really simple to do. So let's get started and get feeling better right now. So for the first part of this guide, we're going to focus on the upper cervical area, primarily a muscle group called the suboccipital muscles. The suboccipital muscles act as a stabilizer and they help also turn the head. They get a lot of strain in them from forward head posture. So think if you're an office worker constantly typing or at a desk, cell phone use, driving, you name it, anything that brings those shoulders forward and the head down, we're going to strain those muscle groups. When the suboccipitals do get strained and muscle spasms start to form, what happens is it can lead to other issues other than neck pain, including tension headaches, possibly even migraines if it's bad enough. So if you've been having a lot of headaches, especially tension-like headaches, this is going to be one that you're going to really want to pay attention to. So this is the exercise. It's very easy. We're going to find the spots in the upper part of the neck right here, and then from there we're going to take our fingers and make hooks with them. Go back to those spots, those muscle spasms in the neck, and put a little bit of pressure in there. Just do a nice self-massage for about 5 seconds to help loosen it up. From there, we're going to do a chin tuck towards the chest, and then we're going to use our head and bring it backwards into our fingers to build more build more pressure into those spots of tension. And just give that a good hold for about 15 to 30 seconds. Only go to your comfort level. If it's causing a lot of discomfort, back off and just build into it very slowly. What you're going to notice is that that muscle spasm will start to break up. So give that a good 30-second hold or until it does finally release, and then back off and keep repeating it until you feel it finally go away. So next, we're going to focus on the middle part of the neck. We're going to target a muscle called the SCM, or sternocleidomastoid muscle. And this muscle is responsible for turning the head. So if you've been having a lot of issues, let's say while driving, trying to turn the head to look over your shoulder, this is one that's probably going to help you out. So we're going to find that muscle spasm in the middle of the neck. We're going to put a little bit of pressure in there. Again, just massage for about 5 seconds until you feel it start to release a little bit. And the next step is to look over the opposite shoulder. So turn the head as far as you're able to go. You're going to feel that muscle spasm get a little bit more sensitive. Put pressure in there. Keep massaging for about another 10 seconds, and then this next step is where it's going to get a lot more intense. We're going to take our chin towards this opposite shoulder. So again, we're turning our head and then taking the chin downwards. Just get in there, massage that for about another 15 to 30 seconds or until you feel that muscle knot release, and then just keep doing it until it finally does release completely. So last, we're going to focus on the lower part of the neck and the upper shoulder. The muscle that is most commonly associated with lower neck issues is the trapezius muscle. So the trapezius or trap muscle is responsible for shrugging or lifting the shoulders up towards the ear. So this is how we're going to target the trapezius muscle. We're going to take a couple fingers, we're going to find that muscle spasm, and then just do a light massage for about 5 seconds. The next part is taking the ear on that side towards that shoulder. So a lateral bend over while you massage it for about another 10 seconds. Just put a good amount of pressure in there to help start to release that muscle knot. So this last part is where it's going to really intensify this self-massage. We're going to then take the ear on the opposite side to the opposite shoulder while maintaining pressure. And you're really going to feel this self-massage. Just get in there, dig at it until it finally starts to release. Usually 15 to 30 seconds. I then just back off and then repeat the process. So again, finger on that side. I'm going to bend over while massaging it, and then I'm going to go to the opposite side while I keep pressure in there. And just keep repeating until you feel all the muscle knots or spasms finally go away. So with this 3-part guide, it should help tackle stubborn muscle knots and spasms and get you feeling a lot of relief. If you're still having lingering or recurring neck or headache issues, make sure to make an appointment with your local chiropractor to have it looked at. Also, if you liked the video and got some relief, please show us your support by giving this video a like and maybe subscribing to our channel too. Please let us know in the comments section how they work for you. We appreciate it, and thanks for watching.